Before you need to open your favorite text editor, I recommend Visual Studio Code for you. So here I'll create a new file, and let's here say writing.py. Sorry, by mistake, just I did it wrong. Here writing.py. Okay, and here this time I'll use the old workers.txt. Okay, and also I put an image from Stack Overflow. Okay, and here we are opening a file for writing. So truncate means would you clear and start over again or complete. So here I will first thing, let's clear and write again. So workers underscore file equals open. Just type here workers.txt. If you're on Windows, type workers.txt. Mac, don't type the .txt, and then put a comma, then type what the letter for the truncate for writing, W, and then check if it's writable. Print workers underscore file dot writable, and just here, and then go to workers underscore file dot close. Wait, there is only something just wrong. No, you don't write E. Sorry, by mistake only. So it's true. So now we need to write. So just type workers underscore file dot write, and here let's say hello everyone. Run the file. Okay, and here it will not give you anything, or true or false or printing or anything. If you just do like this and just return the file, you will find some changes, and type hello everyone. Okay, now let's use another one. Without truncate means don't delete the file, means don't clear. So just here A, and check if writable. Print workers dot file dot writable brackets. Just run it. It must give us true, so we can check there is no error. Okay, and now let's write. So just here let's say workers underscore file dot write, and put here let's say a space and welcome to Codify, for example. So okay, and just run the file. So it will not clear, it will just complete with this. Okay, go to the file and you will find hello everyone, welcome to Codify. Okay, so this is very easy. Also, I will just put for you this image for who wants it. It's copyrighted. For whom wants this picture, I will just put a link for it in the description below. So I hope that you had understood. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye, and I see you in the next video.